Factor 3 of 160. So 160, it can be written as 2 times 80. 2 times 80 mean 160. Now 80, it can be written as 2 times 40. 2 times 40 mean 100. 2 times 40 mean 80. Like as 40, it can be written as 2 times 20. Like as 20, it is 2 times 10. And 10, it is 2 times 5. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, this all 2, and at last 5. So we can write 160 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is this 2 times this one 2, so this 2, this both 2, and at last this 5. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.